Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal. Worked on this for a few days. It's a little chunky one, 3 signatures. I'm calling it Adventure. It's not exactly hard, but it looks like a hardcover. It's not soft and flexible. This is a file folder. And it's been covered with paper from ARTYmaze, and I created this. I think I used some distress inks for that, you know, the stains, and I don't know what paper I used, but that, and then it's all been stitched. We've got a little booklet attached to the front with a little envelope decoration on the front. The journal measures 8 by 4.5, a 1-inch spine, although excuse me, a little croaky. This is quite wide, so that goes to like 2.5 because it got really chunky. This will be listed in my shop, and for today it will be at a reduced price, so I will put all the information on the listing and put the link to that below. Right, so this is just some coffee dyed cotton fabric as a closure. Excuse me. So yes, if you've seen, I've been fascinated with window envelopes lately, so I've been doing lots of well, a few things with them. That's stitched on there. We've got that image. There's a little freebie over on my coffee shop if you want to go over and check that out. Butterflies, ARTYmaze. This is no, that is the old design shop. That's ARTYmaze, and I believe these papers here are all ARTYmaze as well. And the front and back cover is ARTYmaze. And then this little journal on the front is just a little scrappy journal for you to write notes in. And that's just before we go into the main book. So did I say it was 3 signatures and 76 pages? I can't remember, so that's what it is. Right, so on the inside cover we have got a pocket, and it's opened at the back for you to slip other things in. We've got that tag here that goes there. There is a space here as well, and then obviously the space there, but that goes there and that there. Got a little tuck here, and that's a freebie on my coffee shop, and I just popped the butterfly, some bling, and a little label there. These are from ARTYmaze, and this is from Dreams Etc. Can't remember the name of the kit, but how pretty are they? Okay, then we've got another little journal card there from Dreams Etc. And then I think there's 4 of these throughout the journal. So that's the window envelope tags, double tags. These are quite thick. I made all of it from envelopes and digital paper. And here we've got, I really should have, sorry, cleared my throat properly. It is quite late, it's cold outside, but I had to have the window open because I was playing around with some resin, and obviously you need lots of fresh air, and I think it was just a bit too chilly. And then the heating's on, so you know, it goes from one extreme to the other. A little tag there, a little tag there. We've got a cluster here and a butterfly, bit of faux washi tape there. I'd done a video on these. That was my Pinterest inspired video for this this Wednesday. And then this is from the who's that from? That is from TaylorMadeJournals. So yeah, I was playing with the resin because of ARTYmaze. I haven't finished them yet, but ARTYmaze had made a little dangle, so I've literally done loads. So I was doing them. I'm just going to show you. I'm not finished them, but I've done loads. There's a lot more than that, but I've just sat them up there near the window. Then I done these. I thought it was so cute. I've made myself some key rings. I made one for my aunt as well that I'm going to send her up. So they're freebie little butterflies from ARTYmaze, and I've sandwiched 2 of them between a thick cardstock. I've resined it, put some bling on, and a little keychain, and then I've got that one as well. So that was fun. Yeah, they do stink though. It does stink, the resin. So we've got some trim on here. There is tags here, little cluster thing going on here. Then I made these from window envelopes as well. They're just journal cards you write on the back. journal space in the middle here, bit of full washi there, little flip out there, and then here we've got some, I think that is from the old design shop. That goes there. This is from ARTYmaze. I believe that is a freebie. That is Ruby and Pearl. That heart there is a freebie on my coffee shop if you want to check that out. Got lots of little freebies on there if you want to go over and help yourself. Bit of digital washi from chapter 1. Another one of the little paper clips that I made. This is TaylorMadeJournals, I believe. Excuse me. That's annoying, isn't it? Sorry. Another one of them tags. Love the window envelopes. I messed up with the stitching there, so I just went round it. But you know what? It's just a journal. It's not a junk journal, but it's a journal. I am not a machine. I am. Oh right, in the center signature. So the second signature is just complete journal space. Okay. Could you imagine if I'd decorated that? I wouldn't have been able to shut it. It would have been like that. Another tag there. That's a freebie. Just added the butterfly, the bling, and the label there. Then we have another one of these. Aren't they pretty? And like I said, they are dreams, etc. So there we go. Another little paper clip, altered paper clip there. A piece here from TaylorMadeJournals. If you go into the description box below, if you look down below, there's a bit of writing and it says more. Click on more and you will get links to everything and links to people's Etsy stores that I use a lot of, links to other places you can find me, like the kitchen, back garden. I'm only kidding. Little tag there. A little cluster here. No, like Instagram and Pinterest and the Facebook groups that I run. What else? I can't remember. There's a whole list of them. So some journal space, another altered paper clip, another piece here from TaylorMadeJournals. Check out my little, I made a little kit yesterday, little 10-page kit. That's what I'm working on. I'm working on it now actually, because I'd finished this a little while ago. Well, yesterday actually. I just didn't get around to doing videos. I was doing other stuff. Yeah, that's what I'm working on now, which is, what's it called again? Wildflower Journal Kit. It's a traveller's notebook size kit, because you know that's my favourite size if you know me. Some tags here, some more tags there. Now that I've shut that window, I can really smell that resin. I'm going to leave that window opened, because when you've put that under the UV light, it actually still curing, so I take it it's still smelly. Oh, but I need to put something on there. Now, what shall we put on there? Shall we put, hang on a minute, put that ruler there, and trust me, I'm not gonna put it on right now, but I'll put a note for myself. Can't believe I forgot to do that. There's always something I'm forgetting lately. Right, so that will go on there, obviously all cut out with a bit of bling. And then here we've got another, that's on the back inside cover. We have a tag there. It's opened at the back. That is Dreams, etc. It's opened there and there. So yeah, that is it. I'll do that in a second actually. So that is the journal. Another little chunky one. Will be listed in my coffee, and it will be at a reduced price today. What's today? Don't know what day today is. Hang on a sec. Got a date on here. No, it just says Tuesday. Hang on. I don't even know what date it is. It is Tuesday, the 27th of February. So there we go. Okay. So rid of all these little bits. So that is the journal. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just ask. It'd be great if you gave me a thumbs up, left a comment. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I will speak to you again soon. Bye for now.